Hello everybody, this is Doris from Henan Feitaki Food. We are professional produce the dried garlic, ginger, onion, and some dried vegetables and fruits. And today we will take you to see some products about garlic. And this one is our featured product, dehydrated garlic chips. These garlic chips, the raw material is from Henan and Shandong, which is the place of origin of China production of high quality garlic. The garlic chips is processing, the washing and removing the root and their impurity, and then washing, slicing, and finally by selecting. And the final product, as you can see, the chips is very complete and the size is very evenly and very crispy. Its moisture is less than 8%. Its color is very bright, no any dark point, and it's very yellow and white. It's very dry and easy to store. The shelf life can reach even 24 months. Its microbiological test is qualified. No any food additives and no any processed additives. Safe and healthy. Welcome to choose us.